Hi, welcome back. Here we are going to discuss how we can have two data sets in one scatter plot. First of all, we're importing the necessary libraries. Then we are having the figure size. Then we are generating X and Y. And we are plotting the first scatter plot. So X and Y with the size of 10, the color red, alpha 0.7, and we label it to be data set 1. Because we are having two data sets, it's good to have a label. So we're going to use the legit function in the end as well. Then here is our second data set, x2 and y2, and we are plotting that scatter plot as well. So x2 horizontal axis, y2 vertical axis, the size, the color is blue. So previous one was red and now it's blue, so it is distinguishable. Then we are labeling it to be data set 2. So when I run this code, we see here is our figure. So the red points are the data set 1 and the blue points are the data set 2. For example, it could be the insight uh, to have, for example, from this figure. For example, if we want to have two data sets, the red one could be the last year sale, and the blue one could be this year sale. So we can now compare how was the reaction of the last year as compared to this year. For example, this is just an example to saying that we can have two different data sets and start comparing them in one figure. So here we can see how we can consider having two data sets in one scatter plot. Thank you for watching.